So hi guys, welcome to my legal friend. So the video is about the job notification issued by the Shipping Corporation of India Limited. This is about the requirement of legal assistant on contract basis. So it's a contractual job for the position of legal assistant, and there are total two vacancies for a period of 2 years, which will be extendable up to 6 months. The eligibility criteria is the regular one. You need to have a LLB degree. It could be either a 3-year course or a 5-year law course, and the minimum marks would be 55% of all semester. Any aggregate marks should be 55%. Okay, and your college or university should be recognized by the Bar Council of India, and the age is maximum age is 30 years. The period of contract is, as I said, it's 2 years, which will be extendable up to 6 months. And talking about the location, so Shipping Corporation of India Limited, the office of the corporation, the head office is located in Mumbai. So the location would be, but obvious, Mumbai. But it is mentioned that its discretion may post the officer at any of its offices projects as per its requirement. Okay. Now the emolument, very important thing. The consolidated emolument of 20,000 per month will be paid. A conveyance allowance of 5,000 per month will also be paid to legal assistant for discharge of official duty. So you'll get 20,000 only, because this is a contractual job. So there is no TA, DA, HRA, etc. So you'll get 20,000 only as stipend, you can say. Okay, and plus 5,000 for other activities which will be done by you for the discharge of the official duty. No other perk, benefit, allowance shall be applicable. Income tax will be deducted at source as applicable. Now there will be no accommodation, not eligible for company's medical benefit. So when you are doing a contractual job, you actually do not get any benefit or perks which a regular employee gets in a government agency. Okay, now this is the job is subjected to termination by either side by 1 month notice or payment of notice in lieu. Now coming to the application, how will you apply? So you just have to visit website, that is the shipindia.com, and then you have to visit the following tabs: the career, then shore, then requirement of legal assistant. And after updating your details on that website, then you have to send your resume on this mail address, that is shorerecruitment@sci.co.in, with the subject as application for legal assistant on contract. Okay, apart from that, you have to attach these documents as well in PDF format, that is your LLB degree, mark sheet certificate, work experience certificate, training completion certificate, if any, if you're doing any training or anything like that, date of birth proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter birth certificate, etc. Application will not be considered in the case the above mentioned documents are not submitted. So you need to mandatorily submit these documents, and if you will not attach them with your mail, your application will not be considered. Now these are other details. Now coming to the selection process. So the selection will be based on interview, and your application will be shortlisted depending on the qualifications and the experience that you have. Your application will be shortlisted, and then you will be called for the interview. Okay, and the interview will be conducted at Shipping House, Narman Point, Mumbai, or through video conferencing, depending on the prevailing situation at the time of interview. Be either they'll call you in person or they'll take a video interview. Okay, now these are the general information which you read it by visiting their website. I will pin down the link of their website on the detail section, and yeah, that's it. So last date for the application, yeah, sorry, I forgot that it's 13th of May 2021. So you have to fill in these details and send them your application before 13th of May 2021. There is no examination fees. So that's it about the video. Thank you for watching.